Welcome everyone to our Lean channel. This is Mark. This video discusses element 842 of the ISO 9001 standard, type and extent of control of external providers. Before we begin, I want to let you know that we started a new Lean ISO Management Systems group on LinkedIn. If you are interested in the Lean Systems topic, join us, the link is below. Clause 842 requires the organization to ensure that externally provided processes, products, and services do not adversely affect its ability to deliver conforming products and services to its customers. And, the organization shall, a. ensure that externally provided processes remain within the control of its quality management system. We have already addressed these two requirements in the previous videos by creating supplier evaluation and monitoring processes. If you missed those clips, visit our channel and catch up. The next requirement, B, states that the organization shall define both the controls that it intends to apply to an external provider and those it intends to apply to the resulting output. Above, we already addressed the control of external providers in the supplier evaluation process, so let's talk about the second part. The organization shall define the controls that it intends to apply to the resulting output. Well, I see it as just another example of standard gibberish. What resulting output are they talking about? If you have a good explanation, please drop me a comment. I think the standard implied that we should control the entire scope of the supplier's activities. Let's say your provider builds an extension to your facility. We have evaluated and approved the contractor, but they use subcontractors to install plumbing or electrical systems. How can we control subcontractors? I guess it may be as simple as stating in our service provider agreement that they are responsible for all their subcontractors. So, if the plumbing service floods your facility or electricians blow up your transformer, it is your primary contractor's responsibility, not yours. The following requirement reads, the organization shall, c. take into consideration 1. The potential impact of the externally provided processes, products, and services on the organization's ability to consistently meet customer and applicable statutory and regulatory requirements. Here, we are yet again one step ahead of the game. I refer you another time to the previous videos, in which we discussed the supplier evaluation process. This process flow includes risk assessment related to the impact of externally provided processes, products, and services. If you missed those clips, check the link below to catch up. The next advised consideration too, is to take into account the effectiveness of the controls applied by the external provider. This point was also addressed in the supplier evaluation process flow. We examined and documented the state of the supplier's management system and capabilities there. The last requirement, D, states that we must determine the verification or other activities necessary to ensure that the externally provided processes, products, and services meet requirements. The first step is monitoring the quality, on-time delivery, supplier responsiveness, and other aspects of provided products and services. Examining provided products for quality will require component, parts, and service inspection processes. These may include drawings, part specification sheets, test instructions, acceptance criteria, and others. This is all for today, folks. Let's summarize our discussion today. Use supplier evaluation and monitoring processes to address numerous requirements of this clause. Include in the supplier agreement provisions for control of subcontractors. Develop and document inspection procedures for outsourced processes. As always, check our free downloads. The supplier evaluation and monitoring process templates discussed in this video are available as PDFs on our website's Academy page. Do not hesitate to contact me if you need assistance implementing your Lean supplier management process. Please subscribe, share, like, and comment on this video. Your support helps us promote our Lean QMS project.